Hey party lovers, check out the BAIJLE 166 PCS Glow in the Dark Party, supplies that light up any event with vibrant colors and flashing lights. This set includes foam glow sticks, LED glasses in 5 colors with 3 flashing modes, finger lights, and LED hair scrunchies to create a fantastic glowing atmosphere. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, concerts, pool parties, and holidays like Halloween or New Year's. These party favors add excitement for both kids and adults. The glow sticks are 8 inches long with connectors, allowing you to make bracelets, necklaces, or fun shapes. Made from soft foam and high-quality plastic, these glow sticks are durable, unbreakable, and safe for all users. Whether you're at a carnival, rave, or sporting event, these neon supplies bring an unforgettable glow. Plus, you get excellent quality and customer support to keep your party glowing bright all night long. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.